We're confessing some secrets and revealing our past. That's right, it's Yeah Nope from Wonderforge. A setup begins with 12 situation tiles spread out in the center of the play area. The tiles are double-sided, but their placement can be random. Each player then draws 10 experience cards and takes a wager token with the inside face up. Finally, the player with the most recent birthday is the It player. They take the sequin game box and start the first round. It's the same. Gameplay is divided into turns where the It player chooses one experience card from their hand and reads it aloud and then places it on the table. I've given a friend a piercing. The other players in the game form the guessing players team and work together to choose a single situation tile to add to the experience card in the hopes that it forms a true statement about the It player. The guessing team can openly discuss any knowledge they have about the It player when deciding which tile to pick. If they can't agree on a tile, then the player to the left of the It player gets final say. Place the chosen situation tile next to the card and read it aloud. I've given a friend a piercing, and do it again. The It player then uses the game box to declare the combination true with a yeah or untrue with a nope. And yes, the It player needs to answer honestly. Depending on the answer, the turn can proceed in two different ways. If the answer is nope, the turn is over and the It player tells their tale and proceeds to score points. More on that in a sec. If the answer is yeah, each player on the guessing team individually chooses if they want to flip their wager token to out. If they do, they score points and are out of the round. If they stay in, the situation tile is set aside for the moment, and everyone still in on the new team chooses a new tile to apply to the statement. I've given a friend a piercing as a child. The situation tiles don't have to work in combination with each other. They're evaluated separately. The process keeps repeating, except after the first tile is resolved, players can now choose to go out before the situation tile is assigned. But once you're out of the guessing team for the turn. The turn ends once every player is out, or if the answer is ever nope. To score, a player on the guessing team gets 1 point for each situation tile that received a yeah in the turn. But if the player is still in when the It player reveals a nope, they score 0 instead. However, if the It player reveals that nope, then the It player scores a point for each situation tile played that turn. One exception is the never tile, which ends the round after the It player's answer, cause it's basically a nope, awarding 3 points to each player on the guessing team if they're right, or 3 points to the It player if they weren't right. Once the turn is over and all scoring is resolved, flip the situation tiles used that round to their other side and return them to the center pool. The It player discards their experience card, draws another to replace it, and passes the It designation to the left. All guessing players flip their token to in, and a new turn begins. Play continues until players have had an equal amount of turns being It, or you reach an agreed upon target score. The choice is yours. And that's Yeah Nope. I'm Becca Scott, and I'm terrified I'm gonna reveal way too much personal information on Game the Game, where I play this game with my friends, right here on Geek and Sundry. We'll see you there.